music career started, because it's like me sitting up on the front, because I play like a football too, you know.
No, you
I
still
love
do.
football, you know. Play like a football and thing, and so the man them, you know, so we used to do with the Manning Cup for Trenchtown, and yo, me say youth, I'm always active from my youth. Till you know me, I say me all over the place. So me get popular, me the most popular kid in a school, the most famous kid in a school. Everybody in a school know me.
Yeah.
You know me I say, and then me get famous in other school too, cause me a galley so. Me I deal with Alpha Wicked. Me I deal with Except, yo, me I deal with some bag of school. So me get famous.
The man on a school tour.
And then we used to have a brother named Jerry, downtown, where sell cassette.
Yeah, man,
right
King,
at the
yeah,
park,
King Jerry, yeah, King
so
Jerry.
We used to go hang out at King Jerry there,
Yeah.
so, and Jerry played some, you know,
And
so we run off the floor.
I used to be a dancer.
Yeah, we don't go drop foot, so we start get famous like, you know, that little type of famous there.
Yeah.
You know, the whole town know me, and you know, be a school girl know me and thing, my feel, so believe that, you know. So anyway,
The Prince.
we sit down out on the front, a Mountain View, that's now, and is a trucker pass it, be a man pan it, some bugger man pan it, and the man say, yo dog, him can't play ball, you know, yo, I play some ball out of center mass, and me don't know dog, me not even bother itch, me don't like me know the bugger man pan it. The only person me didn't know pan it was a brother named Pecos and a youth named Charlie Pride. And them say, yo, come pan it, and some goes a boom and jump on the truck and we go to center mass to play the match, mash up the match, and then them have a stage show of the night now. So I suck up them know me can't DJ now, cause we there and miss the stage show, and I say, me I slap with the whole of this. And go up there and slap with the whole place in the metal. So the man I say, yo DJ, if you come at Arrows, you know, man, Arrows, don't win out of them. I say, yeah, that near to me, man. Then I win. So I saw now, I get the next day, now I end up going to Arrows. And I saw now, the man start say, yeah, man, the DJ bad and thing. And, you know, that's like how I got introduced.
And the rest is?
Yeah, yeah. That's how. So then, after that, now, me realize, the other people in the truck, they never bust at the time. The people in the truck
like
was Terror Fabulous,
how were you say?
Spragga Benz, Baby Wayne, Judas, Ninja Kid.
So it was a Nabos truck?
No, but the one of them on the bus after?
Okay, no, but before it was
No,
a
before,
Nabos, yeah, it's a Nabos truck.
No, the Agabus truck.
Agabos truck, sorry.
Yeah, the Agabus.
Disclaimer, Agabos truck.
Yeah, the Agabus truck,
Yeah.
yo. So after that, every man, I said, damn, I got to be a part of that too. And so I was the last one out of the clique for bus. It's like every year from 92, come straight down to 99. It's like every year I watch my friend them just be a man to start, you know, turn millionaire, turn superstar and thing. I was like, damn, when am my time? But you know, 99 was my time, and man, it's been a ride from that, yo, for real.